I'm Steve Clemens, Executive Vice President of URL Insurance Group, and thank you for joining us on our Life Insurance Awareness series, the top reasons for life insurance ownership. Today we're covering income replacement and mortgage protection. So the top 5 reasons for life insurance ownership today are income replacement / mortgage protection, as well as cover final expenses, wealth transfer, retirement planning, and business purposes. 57% of Americans today own a form of life insurance. Of the 57% of Americans who own life insurance, 18% of them only own group life product. 28% own an individual policy, and 11% own a combination of group and individual coverage. Some statistics to review in light of mortgage protection and income replacement. $67,400 is the average debt for Americans ages 25 to 35. And this is as of 2019. The average mortgage debt was $202,284, and that is on the rise. $233,610 is the average cost to raise a child to age 17 in a middle-class, middle-income family in America today. And life insurance is going to cost less than you think. For a healthy non-smoker ages 25 to 35, term life insurance for $250,000 costs less than $1 a day. Now, the average cost of a cup of coffee is over $2.99 a day. And over 70% of millennials in one study are overestimating the true cost of life insurance. So it costs less than we think, yet most consumers out there are overestimating what they believe is the cost of these products. So to help with income replacement, a staggering number here, more than 1/3 of households would feel the financial impact within just 1 month if a primary wage earner died. So 1/3 of households in America today would feel the financial impact within 1 month, 4 weeks, if the primary wage earner died. So there's definitely a need for life insurance for income replacement purposes. So let's look at a income replacement example. We're looking at a 40-year-old couple, husband and wife, with 2 children ages 7 and 10, dual income household. They're each earning approximately $80,000 annually before taxes. So approximately they're bringing home $5,200 after taxes, and that's about the amount they need to replace per person. So for Paycheck protection, if they wanted to protect each roughly $5,000 of monthly benefit for a 20-year period, they would need a policy that would be $988,370. That's assuming 2% growth in a monthly income stream that will liquidate the principal over time. Now, if they wanted it for 10 years, they'd be looking at just a little over $543,000 of coverage. In 30 years, just over $1.3 million. One way to do that we offer at URL Insurance Group is a website we provide you, the agent, that you can then provide your clients. Your clients can get a quote for term life insurance on your own unique website in just a matter of a couple seconds and apply within 5 minutes and have an answer. They can be approved and they can have coverage in their hand in as little as 5 minutes from the time they quote to the time the policy is issued, approved, and placed. No medical underwriting, no paramed exams, no nurse exams, no medical records ordered, APSs. That's going to take days, weeks, months of their valuable time. So they can go in, put their age. So for a 40-year-old female who wants $1 million of coverage for 20 years, it's going to cost her $52.67 a month as a healthy non-smoker. And the same 40-year-old male For the same 20-year period for $1 million, it will cost him $71 a month. Again, they can get a quote on their smartphone, their tablet, their desktop in a matter of a couple seconds, apply in just a couple minutes, and be done with the life insurance process. Have it in their hands within a couple minutes. Mortgage protection. Let's look at a 35-year-old couple purchasing a new home with a $250,000 mortgage. A simple solution is a 30-year level term, again, through our instant approval page. By doing that, a 35-year-old male, the price would be $24.54 a month, and for that 35-year-old female, $21 a month. For 30 years, $250,000. Just as the previous slide said, for ages 25 to 35, $250,000 is costing less than $1 a day, which is very true here on a 30-year level term for $250,000. Instant approval, instant decision in 5 minutes or less. Now, another solution is looking at a 30-year money-back return of premium term. So this will cost your clients a little more premium because there's more value involved. There's a return of premium aspect to the policy. So if the clients paid their premiums for the full 30 years, they would get 100% of their money back tax-free. So on the husband, that price would be $68.64 a month, returning him at the end of 30 years $24,710.40. For the female, her price would be $56.32. And again, if she kept the policy for the full 30 years, that premium return to her would be $20,275.20. Now, there's more benefits to return a premium than just money back. So here's a snapshot of that 35-year-old female, what the illustration looks like. So again, it's a 30-year level term, so the coverage will stay the same for the full 30 years. The premium will stay the same as well. So premium will not go up, coverage will not go down. That premium is $56.32 for the $250,000. And as you can see, that's guaranteed. And in the 30th year, the cash value returned, or the return of premium, is 100% of what she paid into the policy. If she decided to surrender early, let's say in the 25th year, she would receive 83.6% back of her money, which would be at that time $14,125.06. She decided to surrender in the 20th year, she would get 68% of her money back, $9,191.42. In year 15, it's 51.2%, and that is how the policy works. So if she decided to surrender, at any given time, there's a surrender value. Now, the other option the client has is at the end of 30 years, she's 65 now, she may still want some life insurance. So at age 65, she is, hopefully the mortgage is paid off, maybe she's looking towards retirement, and she still wants a little bit of life insurance. So instead of taking the return of premium, the company gives her the option of getting a paid up life insurance policy. So this means at age 65, instead of taking the return of premium of $20,275.20, the company's going to offer her a $46,500 life insurance plan with 0 premiums, and that coverage will remain in force until age 99. No premiums, $46,500 for life insurance until age 99. So covered her mortgage for the first 30 years. It's going to cover her final expenses and a little more from age 65 to age 99. So that's a nice feature. Now, some clients may say, I like the idea of having some paid up life insurance, but I also like the idea of getting my money back. They can do a combination of those two things where they might get partial return and a partial paid up life policy. They can also roll that money into a conversion, into a plan to convert. So many options with return of premium provides your clients a little equity in their life insurance plan for a little bit more premium. At URL, we say we're in the people business. We were founded in 1986. We are independently owned. We have a knowledgeable and experienced staff to assist you with your business. Whether that's life insurance, annuities, health insurance, Medicare, disability income, long-term care, or employee benefit products. We have a fantastic website and technology to help you with your business. Even when our office is closed, our website is open 24/7. You can get quotes, you can get forms, online applications, run illustrations, marketing materials to help you with your business. We provide ongoing training to help you grow your business. We have an elite partnership program for insurance professionals and advisors we call the Gemini Partnership Program. And also, if there's areas in the business that you are not comfortable in, we have a formal referral program called our Orion Department, where you can refer clients to our industry experts in-house at URL, and we can meet their needs with our concierge insurance services. We thank you for your business and your interest in working with us. And until the next time, I say goodbye.